So we got our, we'll call it our house arrest time for Florida. And we have been doing some of the gardening. This is the blackberries and blueberry bushes. We are starting to get some flowers, and we do have some blueberries growing. And hopefully all the squirrels won't eat it. A lot of vines growing up everywhere. Kind of did a little bit of plucking. Kept the center area wetlands, just kind of keep them contained. Cleared everything up. We have a little bit more property over on this side where we put the chickens. And eventually we will take this area, we will open up that fence and probably get one of those portable electric fences and extend it out through this whole area so we can bring the rest of our chickens from our other property down here until all this COVID-19 stuff blows over, hopefully. But we also planted, this is a pear tree, one of the hood pear trees. And on this side over here is one of the pineapple pear trees. So, and then we cleaned up this whole area where this log is that fell down. Cleaned that area up. Still got a little bit of a weeding, or pretty much the chickens can eat that. And we're building a small little compost pile. We're gonna board it all off. Build that so we can get rid of the chicken poo and some of the leaves. And this is our garden and chicken coop area, all in suburbia. We're really only on maybe a third of an acre. We're able to manage. My neighbors are wondering how I was able to manage putting all this stuff in our yard. I didn't even think my yard was that big until they came back here. But I got OCD and I like to organize things. So there's something always has a place. And there's always room for something. Just gotta find the right spot. Things will probably get moved around a little bit. Here's my babies. Hey, babies. And they have been laying up a storm. Except for, Highlights over there. I'm not sure if she's really laying. She might be dinner chicken. Old Whitey over here with the webbed feet and fur on her feet just started laying today again. So I was probably a little stressed with the move. So you're saved. But Highlights over there, yep. You're gonna be dinner soon. Along with some of the other chicks. Yep, and I gotta still finish painting my coop and getting everything set up. But here we go. We got our awesome back part of our yard almost done.